As a money mindset coach, these are 5 things I ask myself before buying something. 1, do I really need to buy it? I try to wait at least 24, 48, 72, even up to a month before I buy something. My procrastination has helped me save a lot of money. Sometimes I think I need something in the moment, but actually as the time goes by, I find other things to use instead of buying that item. I then ask myself, can I borrow it from somebody? I've borrowed lots and lots of things from friends, like tools for building or repairing, maintenance in my house or in my rentals. I've also borrowed kid items like toys or swings or car seats, etc. I've asked people if I could borrow clothes for a wedding. Number 3, I try to go online on our Buy Nothing group in my local area and see if anyone has an item there that they're willing to part with that they're not using anymore. If I find myself I still really need to buy it, tip number 4, I go on Facebook Marketplace or look for buying it used at thrift stores or boutiques. Those are usually 75% the retail price. And tip number 5, if I really need to buy it, of course, I try to find a discount or buying it at a discount shop so that the price is still better than buying a full price retail. And I try to use my credit cards when I make the purchase so that I get cash back. Asking myself these questions before I buy something has helped me reduce overconsumption, buying things that I really don't need or things that are one-time purchases and end up in the garbage. If you're struggling with overconsumption, overspending, asking yourself these questions before you buy something might help you. Try it out next time.